Hi everyone, welcome to Check My Finance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by simply receiving text messages on your phone. So I'm going to show you how to use the SMS Profit to receive text messages and make money online. So I've been running an experiment on this mobile application for the past 2 months. So I'll be showing you how much I was able to make in those 2 months. Then I will go ahead and show you how to withdraw money from this mobile application. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So with SMS Profit, all what you need to do is to go to their website and download and install the mobile application on your phone. Once you have installed your mobile application, you also need to register your cell phone number and verify your phone number on the mobile application. So in order to add the phone number, you just need to open the mobile app, then come over my phone numbers and add your phone number. Then once you have verified your phone number, you just need to go back, and when you come over SMS history, you'll be able to see how much you are being paid. So you can see over here that I'm being paid 2 cents for each and every message I receive. You can see today so far I've received 1 text messages, and yesterday I received a number of messages from using this mobile application. You can see I've been receiving all these messages using this mobile app. So what you need to do is download and install the mobile application. After that, add and verify your phone number. Then you are good to go to be able to receive messages just like I did, and you'll be paid for every single message you receive. So I will go back. Then another thing that you need to do is to add your payment method, how you are going to get paid once you have earned some money on this mobile app. So you just need to come over payment method, then you need to come and press on this plus sign over here. Then you can either add your PayPal account email address, or you need to add your Bitcoin wallet address in here. So once you have added your payment method, you'll be able to withdraw money to that payment method you have added. So it supports Bitcoin and PayPal. You can be paid via Bitcoin or PayPal. Then when you come over here, you can see where it says check connection, and it says it works down over here. So with this mobile application, to be able to make money with SMS Profit, you have to make sure that you are always connected to the internet. So you can just come over there and check the connection, and you can see it says it works, meaning you are connected to the internet and the mobile application is connected to the internet. So I will go ahead and show you how much I was able to earn in 2 months using this mobile application. So when I come over balance, you can see that I've been able to earn around $6.82 for 2 months. I've been using this mobile application, meaning that you are going to be making averagely around $3 per month if you install this mobile application. But the amount of money you're going to make is going to differ from one person to another depending on how often you are connected to the internet. So if you have been wondering whether it's possible to make money online by simply receiving text messages, you have seen that by the help of mobile applications like SMS Profit, you can make money online absolutely doing nothing. But one thing which I want to let you know is that this type of mobile applications, apps like SMS Profit, might have got access to your personal information. Since it is able to receive text messages on your phone, it means that it is able to read your text messages. So you have to make sure that you are okay with that, and if you are not okay with that, you don't have to download and install such mobile applications. This video is just for information purposes. You have to make your own decision whether to download and install this mobile application on your phone. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.